What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Playmaker Way with the playbook. Y'all read the title, so let's get straight into the video. But before we get started, I just want to let y'all know that this is a clip from a recording from one of my one-on-one sessions with one of my members. I do one-on-one sessions. I also have a free Telegram. Make sure to check that out. First link in the description. We had a great day today. I do live stream Monday through Friday, 2:30 a.m. London session. I do have New York session live streams for the members only. Go ahead and make sure to check that out. So the NAS 100 trade, I call that live. You can check it out in my previous video. I'm gonna link that in the comments down below. The day with a total of 6,515 pips. Ended the day 3-0. Not a bad day for Tuesday. All right, see you on that video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Off this one level on the daily zone, we caught the same move 5 different times. And I called all these out in the telegrams too. If you go through the telegram, you'll see GJ buys, GJ buys. This was last Monday. This was last Tuesday. This was last Thursday. This was last Friday. And this was this Tuesday. The same level of price did the same thing. And you see off this line here, how price rejected over and over again. And then it finally broke above it, treated as a support. Because like I always say in the live streams, a strong resistance can become a strong support, or vice versa. A strong support can turn into a strong resistance. You see how this is a strong resistance, but you see price rejected 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times the same level of price. Then when it finally broke above it, retested, broke back down, then finally respected as a support level and shot up. But now it's still playing at that level of price. But because we marked out these zones and we knew how price works and we know how to read candlesticks, we were able to catch the same move literally 5 times, 4 times in 1 week. No, 4 times in 1 week, which was last week. Literally caught the same move. But I just want to show you this, which is why I trade off these levels. So we're going to go on a naked chart. Then we're going to go on the daily time frame. I'm gonna bolden it. So at this daily zone that I marked up, you can clearly see how it was a support level, then turned to a strong resistance level, right? Strong resistance, now support level. So I'm gonna zoom out and we're just gonna look at the dates, all right? Because this is the daily time frame. So we got today, or we got this month, October 28th, Friday, right? Yesterday. So treated this as a support level on Friday, October 28th. Then treat this as a resistance level, September 27th. Okay, so about 2 months in respecting this level of support resistance. Then we got here, this is July, treating as a resistance level. Then we got May treating as a resistance level. Then we got February of this year treating as a support. Then we have January of this year treating as a support. Then we have last year, no, this is still January, treating as a resistance level. Then look, this is August 21. This is July 21. This is May 21. This is March 21. January 21. November 2020. So 2 years, for over 2 years, price has been doing the same thing when it hit this level of price for 2 years. But it gets better. We're still in, now we're in 2019, 2018, 2017, 2016, 2015, 2013, 2012, 2011, 2007, 2005, 1997. You see how long price has been doing the same thing? So it's
seasonality, right?
It's insane. Like literally, it's been doing this shit since 1997.
That's crazy.
So, and that's why I trade off these, because again, this is truly how price works. And